You know, this is not the first time I'm actually reviewing a security camera system, but definitely this is the first time I'm reviewing one that has no wires. I mean, totally wireless. So you don't have any video cable to hook up to the DVR, and you don't even have any power cables for the cameras that you're going to put up. And yes, the cameras come with built-in battery that you have to charge. So the question you might be asking yourself now is, after I put up this camera, how long before I have to charge it? I don't want to be climbing up on the wall to take off this camera every time I need to use it. Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we'll be unboxing the Nooie Cam Pro. And as I said before, it's a totally wireless security system that you can put anywhere in your house or at your office, and it don't need any wires at all. No power cable, no video cables, nothing goes to the DVR, nothing goes to an outlet. But here's an kicker, an slide line, a hook to the face. You can actually purchase a solar panel from Nooie to hook up to this security camera that you don't have to worry about if or when the battery is going to die. Man, they just keep giving. So it's on to the unboxing. Okay. So opening up the box, you will find a very detailed instruction manual and some stickers saying, "I'm protected by Nooie." Pretty cool. Now, this is a 2-pack bundle where you get 2 security cameras and a base station, and I would advise pick this one if you need multiple cameras, because they don't sell the security cameras by themselves. You only have this bundle or a next bundle where you get 1 security camera and a base station. So if you want additional cameras after, you will be getting them with additional base stations, and the base station can actually hold up to 4 devices, and I do mean 4 devices because Nooie actually, they make a lot of products. I mean, vacuums, smart switches, 360 cameras, smart plugs. I mean, really, they make a lot of stuff. How come I never hear about them before? Hold up, I'm moving off track. Let's dial it back a bit. So inside the box, you know how some companies will skimp on what they give you to get everything working? Well, Nooie, yeah, them give you everything. The only thing that's not here is this kitchen sink. I mean, they give you all the screws that you would need to mount the security camera, plus the plastic plugs to plug the wall to screw in the screws, and they give you abundance of them. Enough if you make a mistake, you can still get it done. And they also give you a LAN cable for the base station, just in case if you don't want to be totally wireless and you want to run the LAN cable to the base station, there's an option. Always good to have options, right? Okay, so let's take a closer look at the so-called wireless, well, it's not so-called, it is wireless, the wireless security camera. Now, the thing is, this thing is jam-packed with a lot of tech. First off, it has a built-in mic and a speaker, so you can have conversations with the thief that come to rob your place. "Oi brother, I left my TV." It also comes with an LED light, and it has motion sensors, night vision, and to be honest, the size of this thing with all of these packed in is very impressive. It also has a micro USB port at the back to charge the whole security camera. But there's one thing I'm searching for and I'm not finding, and that is the size of the battery inside this camera and how long it will last on the battery. I guess we have to just do it the hard way. Fully charge it, put it up, and see how long it lasts. The one last thing I'm going to take a look at is how this thing is actually mounted on the wall. Now, if you look at the camera, it has a screw in that you can actually screw it and mount it on something, but the actual base that comes with it is magnetic. It's not screwed in, so you actually just put it up and you just click it in. That's it. I don't know where you live though, but in some areas, the man them now go ramp for just jump and drag this off and run with it. I mean, run with it. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the base station. This is the central unit that connects all the cameras together so you can communicate with them. Now, this thing looks pretty elegant. I mean, I don't see anybody having a problem with this being in their house at all. It looks nice. Now, this thing has two options. You can store the videos from the camera in the cloud, which you have to pay for, sadly, and you can also store the video locally to the base station, but it doesn't come with any built-in storage. So you'd have to buy a SD card, put inside, and it goes up to 128 gigs of storage. So you can buy a 128 gig storage, shove it in the base station, and you're good to go. Okay, before we go, we have to actually take a look at the solar panel that you can buy as an option if you don't want to actually charge this thing when it dies, or take it off of the wall when it dies just to charge it. So the solar panel is pretty small and it comes with everything that you would need to actually mount it on the wall. Now this actually hooks up directly to the camera, so it will have a wire if you choose to use the solar panel. So there you have it folks, the full unboxing of the Nooie Cam Pro. If you're interested in buying this before I do the review, you can head over to Nooie.com where they have many specials going on. 20% off, 50% off. Man, I wouldn't be surprised if I say a 75% off some of these bundles. Their website is killing it. So you can head over there and purchase what you need when you need it. And if you don't want to go to Nooie.com, you can actually go to the affiliate link for Amazon that I have below as well and purchase it there. And by the time you'll be seeing this video, I'm 2 weeks in already reviewing this product. So that means the review is actually coming pretty soon. Look out for that one. Anyhow, folks, thank you guys for watching and supporting my content. A sub to the channel would be most appreciated, and a like would also be so much appreciated. Thank you guys, and until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.